want to make money online, X is the best place to do it in 2023. With the recent changes Elon Musk has made to the platform, it's fast becoming the #1 place to grow and monetize an audience online. But you don't need thousands of dollars to start making money right now. Take, for example, Justin Welsh, who has grown an audience of over 400,000 followers in as little as 4 years and is well on his way to building a digital product business worth over $5 million in profit. That is why in this video, I'm going to be running through the top 4 best ways to make money online with X right now, given the recent changes. So whether you've got 10,000 followers or you're just starting out with 10, look no further. These are the top 4 business models that we recommend in 2023. First off is e-learning and digital products. Most people would say that traditional education is not really living up to scratch, and so more and more people are looking less for generalized knowledge and for specific knowledge from experts online. Many people underestimate the skill set that they actually have in a particular niche. If you've been in an industry for several years or have a skill to share, you can get that online in the form of a PDF or a video series and have people coming to you for education online. X provides a perfect platform for you to broadcast your expertise. You can create value-packed threads, host X Spaces for question and answer sessions, or even post polls on the timeline so that you can have direct access to your potential students. When you talk about your skills on your X account, you can build an audience around the problem that your course solves. And then you can direct your potential learners into your bio or just outright share your link on the timeline along with your content. With no-code business tools, there are tons of ways that you can get your educational content online. There are hosted sites like Kajabi, Gumroad, even hosted communities with platforms like School. These all allow you to make your course and product once and then sell multiple times. There is a thirst for knowledge online from specific people with specific skill sets, so we see that this is going to be a massive area of growth in 2023. Next up is social media marketing or content creation. Social media management is simply managing content creation for a particular brand or company. This could be writing posts on LinkedIn, writing memes, or maybe even making videos just like this one. Having a digital presence is so important to get visibility, and people will pay top dollar for anybody who can grab eyeballs and keep them on a particular platform. Building an audience takes time and effort, and most businesses are either too busy or just don't know how to grab engagement. And if you can grow your own account on X, there is even more money to be made. Elon Musk has recently announced that those who match the criteria of having X Premium and a certain number of followers and impressions per month can actually get paid directly from X. As well as ad revenue, you can also sign up for subscriptions so followers of yours can actually pay for premium content. That means the skill of content creation can be even more lucrative in 2023. Next up is consulting and coaching. Consulting is a top-tier business model that requires knowledge and expertise of a specific industry. So if you've got a background in a business skill like sales or marketing, there is no reason why you can't begin consulting your services online on X. All you need to do is optimize your profile with problem-solving keywords in your bio and consistently share insights, tips and tricks, and show off your industry knowledge. You could even use X Spaces for free mini sessions, engage with posts in your industry, and showcase your expertise on the timeline. The flexibility of X also means that the platform is global, so you can operate in different time zones, so you can still consult and coach as you're at your day job. And finally, sales. A sales agency or a closer is a great business model, as many businesses have a product and service, they have got case studies, but they've got no idea how to find their audience and talk with potential customers. This is a great business model because you can work remotely and all you need is the ability to talk to people, some social skills, a laptop and a phone, and you can get started with no investment. Just like with any sales job, you need to be proactive. You need to reach out to industry leaders in your niche who might be interested and direct message them to get on calls. Make sure that you personalize your messages and inquire if they need help booking calls or closing for their various products or services. Many CEOs or business leaders or head of sales have their direct messages open, and so it's really down to you to be proactive and outreach to them on X. So that's our roundup of the top 4 businesses we think you should start in 2023 on X. Now, if you want to join some of the biggest creators building and monetizing their audience, then head on over to highfury.com or hit the link in the description below. And if you want to learn how to make $10,000 a month from ghostwriting, then jump on this video here and I'll reveal the secrets to you.